Hello everyone, welcome back to Mystic Pose Studio. Today I'm going to make these beautiful coasters using alcohol inks. So let's begin. I have my floral coaster molds here and I'm going to use around 120-130 grams of resin for all 4 coasters. I'll keep the resin aside to release the bubbles, and in the meantime let's put the alcohol ink in the coasters. I have 3 colors with me. One is pink, one is blue and one is a purple. I am randomly putting in the alcohol ink from the center towards the edge of the mold. Let's add in the second color now. And for the third one, which is the darkest color, I am just putting in dots. Let's pour the resin now. Straight away put the resin in the center of the coaster and it will automatically start moving towards the edges. I'm going to keep it aside for at least 12 hours before I demold. It's demold time. The patterns have really come out beautifully and it has given it a nice floral look. We can also use another color to mix in the resin and put it as a back layer on the coasters, but I decided to leave them as it is for now. Let me show you how these would look if we pour a white color on the back. You can either leave the coasters as it is because they look pretty already. If you want, you can also paint the pattern of the flowers in between with the help of paintbrush or your markers. Thank you for watching everyone. Stay tuned for more.